Hello guys, want a logo that makes your brand unforgettable without hiring a designer? Today I'll show you how to create a professional logo in minutes with ImagineArt's free AI logo generator. No skills needed, just your creativity. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Part 1. What is ImagineArt? ImagineArt's logo generator easily creates professional, publish-ready logos for your brand. You can generate high-resolution logos with transparent backgrounds. With over 100 AI design styles, anyone can craft stunning logos in seconds. Best of all, you can edit colors, fonts, and icons like a pro for free with no watermarks. Part 2. How to create a logo. Simply with ImagineArt. Now let's make a logo from scratch. Step 1. Go to ImagineArt's logo generator and sign up. Click Image Studio and choose PNG. Step 2. Enter your logo description, like modern tech logo, with a circuit icon. Then choose aspect ratio and adjust styles. Lighting. Next, select the number of images. Step 3. Click Generate. Your logo will be ready in seconds. Next, edit your logo further or regenerate it. Finally, download your logo for free. That's it. It's your turn to design with ImagineArt. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.